Alright, welcome back to this week's... Oh gosh dang it, I screwed up.
Stop screwing
I know.
Welcome to Newbie Coop.
Alright, welcome back to Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and this right here is my daughter, Jenna. And Jenna has been begging me for a while to do a video with the rainbow grilled cheese, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, she's been wanting rainbow grilled cheese, but I don't have the stuff to do rainbow grilled cheese, but we are... Oh my gosh, she's also been sick, so this is why we're doing this today. I'm trying to cheer her up by making some grilled cheese videos, and we're going to make a grilled cheese sandwich, and then we're going to have a little bit something special with it. But let's not tell them, let's just show them what we're doing.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Alright, so the grill's hot. Let's get the butter and some bread and make it some grilled cheese. What do you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, come here.
Okay.
Alright, Jenny, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know how to butter bread? Do you know how to butter it? You want to butter it? You want me to butter it? Just like this?
I'll butter it.
You want to butter it? Here, try it. You can try it. I got yelled at the last time and said, oh, just let them butter it. Well, they're not very good at buttering bread at this age. I'm not going to lie. Okay, here. Turn your hand just a little bit. Turn it like this. And then just drag it across this way. See, now it gets... There you go. Be careful you don't tear the bread. Yeah, you did fine. But here, now that you got some more on there, you gotta wipe it this way, and then turn it back, and then do like that again. There you go, see?
How about you do this?
You want me to do it? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna butter the bread, folks. She said so.
Yeah.
So, I tell you what you can do. You want to take those pieces of yellow cheese there and open up the package. Open each one up.
Okay.
We can do that. While I'm doing this.
Wow. That was wasted.
Yeah. Now don't tear the cheese either. Or try not to tear the cheese.
Try not to, because it did this. Oh.
Yeah.
I did it.
You did it. You did it. You did it.
I did it.
I did it.
Okay, then where do I set this?
Okay, so just set the piece down here. And we're gonna make a... Oh, and the bread is sweet Hawaiian bread. I found this... I don't even know what brand it is, but it's sweet Hawaiian bread. I thought that would be pretty cool. It's a little something different. Okay, now...
Wow, that's...
Do these ones.
Normally I love butter bread.
No, yeah, I know. You're a butter bread queen, aren't you? Yeah. Yes! Okay, come on. My cheese is not coming unwrapped very well. No.
Shall I do it for you?
Hey, you want to do the last one?
Yeah.
You already do that one. You can help me out.
There's one.
It's getting... No, we need that one. No, you're right. You're right. We only need 4. I got 5, apparently.
I did one at a time.
There you go. Take the last piece of cheese.
Perfect.
And we won't need this butter
I
anymore.
need the perfect one.
You can take that? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, now, we're going to open this up. Woo! It's hot, ain't it? Now, look what we're going to do here. Okay? You want to stay over here so you can see it? Or you can see it from there? Woo, that's hot.
I can see it from here.
Yeah, that's hot. Okay, we're going to start putting our cheese on, okay? So I'm going to put a piece of yellow and a piece of white. And then I'm going to put a piece of white here on this side and then a piece of yellow on this side.
Ooh.
See, we'll mix it back and forth like that. A piece of white cheese, a piece of yellow cheese.
Smart.
Yeah, so we can mix it. You know what I say? Oh, I think I did the white bit next, didn't I? I think I messed it up backwards on this one, but that's okay. No, I did that.
Yeah.
No, let's do it this way.
Nothing is perfect.
No, nothing's perfect, but that's okay.
That's what you guys should know. Nothing is perfect.
Nothing's ever perfect, especially in cooking and grilling.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put this top piece on, just like that. And it already sounds like it's pretty grilled, so let's try to flip it. This is gonna be the hard part, Jenna. Oh.
Isn't it time to see Pb&J?
Nope.
What time is it?
It's only like 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Did that one. Boom. Oops, shoot. No.
That's a lot of sizzling.
A lot of sizzling?
Yeah.
It's cooking super quick. So, I think what we're going to do, Jenna, is once this is almost done here, okay? And then we're going to take them off. And then we're going to move this pan, since it's right on top of the heat, we're going to move the pan over. Because we don't want the next part to burn. We don't want the next part of this process to burn. Ooh. We'll put it back on there. Yeah, it still needs to go a little longer.
Together.
All right. Let's see if
stick it together.
Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. Perfect. Nice golden brown.
Wow.
Oh, that's perfect. All right, so we pulled them off. And then for the next part here, we're going to move this over. Okay? Because what we want is we want this part to cool down. This part that's not on top of the heat. See the heat? All that fire? We want that side to cool down a little bit.
Fire!
Okay? So, this is the secretive part. Bam! Probably can't see it.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. All right.
Yay!
Yeah. Okay.
Peanut butter jelly.
We're gonna put a little jelly right on top of this one, right?
I remember when you broke the bottle of jelly.
Oh yeah, when I dropped it out of the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looked like blood.
It looked like blood everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But they don't know that.
Shh, they don't know that. You're right.
Yeah, it reminds me of that time.
All right, now we got the jelly, right?
Yep.
And then we're gonna. Oh no! Here we go.
That's a blue.
The fire popped at me. Now we're gonna use special peanut butter. See this? This is Reese's, creamy Reese's peanut butter, like the Reese's cups. I bet this peanut butter is really good.
They're just fighting.
Okay. They're just fighting. The dogs they're just barking. I think they're just barking at everybody. Okay, now we're gonna put peanut butter on the top.
Yeah.
It's cold out here.
Yeah. Before we started,
It's getting chilly.
I thought I had enough time to grab a jacket, but I couldn't.
Yeah, but you didn't.
I couldn't find a jacket.
Yeah, that's okay.
I only found this very tight.
I don't have a jacket either, but we're gonna lather this sucker up with some peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah, I don't really care if it's cold.
Yeah. All right. So now we got our peanut butter. We got our jelly.
And now we're gonna stick it together.
Stick it together just like, boop, like that. Look at that big old sandwich.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna set it way over here.
It's that double grilled cheese.
And then we're
peanut butter
gonna close this so that hopefully it heats up and melts our cheese.
It's the double grilled cheese peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Double grilled cheese peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Our Pb&J sandwich.
Our Pb&J grilled cheese sandwich.
Double grilled cheese.
Double grilled cheese. All right, so Jenna had to go get a jacket, and I think this is ready. I think we've got this enough. What do you think?
I was cold, so I had to get a jacket.
Yeah. Look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh, baby. Okay. Now, well, let's put this lid back on. Put the lid back on real fast. All right. So, what we're going to do, Jenna, what we're going to do is we're going to cut this thing, and then we're going to take it over here. We're going to take a couple quick photos of it, so that way everybody can see what it looks like, and then we're going to bring it back and we're going to taste test it. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, that's what we're going to do. Before we go and take pictures, let's do the cut. Ready? And do this long, nice cut.
Ooh, that's good.
Oh, look at the cheese, melty cheese in there.
Oh, look at the jelly.
Look at the cheese and the jelly. Oh, look at that. Oh, shoot, here.
What about the peanut butter?
Oh, shoot. It's falling off. Oh, no.
Oh.
All right. Oh, it's falling off. Let's put it back together. All right. You ready, Jenna?
Yep.
Here, I'll give you the nicer side. You want to pick it up and take a bite? I'll take a bite of this side. Ready? Looks pretty good. Cheers.
Yeah,
yeah, I'm really messy. That's pretty good, though.
That's nice.
I'm not high-fiving you.
High five.
Alright guys, that is it for us. Pretty good. Pretty tasty. And we'll see you guys next time. Jenna, is this cool? Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Alright guys. See you later.
I think you're funny.
Peace.